Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to download some games from a Google Play Store but you can't seem to find it on Lenovo Tab M7. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. Inside we're gonna check for Call of Duty Mobile. But as you can see, there's no game that we can download, and to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, head on to the settings, enter family, parental controls. Now either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter a PIN code and increase PG to 18 or 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you go back and look for Call of Duty, it should be right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.